Good day and welcome to another Micrographics vlog. We are an Autodesk partner and reseller. My name is Sean Bauer and I will be presenting this vlog today on the 18th of November 2025. I am an applications engineer and an Autodesk AECO technical consultant with Micrographics, and today's topic is Revit and AI-powered visualization tool called Veras. It's one of the Chaos Group AI tools that you can use for rendering still images, or you can import your 3D models as an OBJ file format, and you can make videos from still images or from your 3D models, your BIM models. If you find this vlog to be informative, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future vlogs. So as an introduction, this is an example of my Revit model. I created the geometry in Revit and I asked the Veras with a prompt or two to create stunning visualizations. Within seconds I was able to generate these. One is more of an interior one and one is an overview of my building. So in this vlog, the idea is to explore how modern visualization workflows blend with Autodesk Revit. There are multiple different sort of ways of doing your renderings or visualization, different file formats. This is an example of my Revit view that I had, and then I took this Revit view and quickly I was able to generate an image like this, a rendering image like this. So Veras uses AI to enhance materials, lighting, the atmosphere. You can also add geometry, for example, the wine bottles, and you can add food, you can add people. The idea is to quickly enhance your presentation. So this is very nice for a conceptual look. And then you can take this still image, go further and create a short animation. Just so it's a nice way to communicate your drawings. It gives you a fast, beautiful on-demand rendering without traditional rendering setups or lighting configurations or long processing times. So if I can maybe show you in Revit how one would do this. So in Revit you would have your floor plan views. There are other cool AI tools as well that one could use. You can use the BIM.com app to add additional families. You can use the Finch one to create layouts for you, alternative different layouts. Then you have the D5 render for rendering, you have Lumion, V-Ray, other ones. The idea is for me to show you how Veras works. So the first thing you would need is to have a camera view placed. So you place a normal camera view in Revit of your space. You can maybe crop it a little bit, make sure it brings in all the information that you need it to do. Then on the Chaos tab, once you've installed Veras, there is a 14-day trial if you want to try it out. It also works with other software packages with Autodesk like Forma. Here you can sign in. Okay, so at this point it would input that image. You have the option to use it as a 2D mode or in 3D mode. So if you decide maybe you want to tilt the camera ever so slightly in a different direction, you can change it to 3D mode and you can move as you would in Revit as well. On the right hand side are your presets, so for different sort of looks that you have. So here you can maybe decide you maybe wanted a different angle of your model. I'll stick to the 2D one just as an overview. Select one of your presets. I'm doing a kitchen, so I selected the white kitchen creative preset. So these are under the Explore tab is all the presets with all the defined changes. Then you do have the option to go under the Compose area, which will be based on the preset that you selected, where you can add additional settings, such as make it atmospheric, cinematic, photography. You can input a prompt, your own prompt, adding information as you see fit, amount of geometry that you would like it to add on your behalf. Maybe some food on the tables, people in the background, maybe someone in this area. Material overrides, you decide what you would like to add additional to your prompt. So we can maybe make it atmospheric, and it's an interior one. It's based on the white kitchen creative preset. And then the prompt is a white kitchen with white walls, white ceiling, gray wood floors, maybe a forest outside, and professional photography. And at this point, you can also decide where you want with what you would like to render. There's the different rendering engines. I will use the latest version. Then the final thing is you can decide how many different variations you want. So you can have up to 4 variations by clicking on the amount of renders that you would like. So let's just do a basic one rendering. Next up is the Edit tab while the rendering is running. You can edit the image after you've rendered it. So you'd have your rendered image and then go make some adjustments to it, cut out parts that you might not want, add additional things if you'd like, re-render it. Then you also have the ability to create videos from your image, like I showed previously. And then your gallery will save all your renders. You can watch previous ones that you have created. Right, so while that is loading, let's go see how far our rendering is. Oh, it's done. Okay, so there is then our updated rendering. So you could see where we started. This was our view that we had, and quickly we were able to create a stunning rendering. So thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us here at Micrographics. I hope you found this vlog informative. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and don't forget to like and hit that notification bell for future vlogs. Thank you again, and goodbye.